where you come from is where you need
Yeah.
to stay.
हाँ.
ऐसे मुझे कभी किसी ने नहीं
नहीं
बोला.
बोला.
और अगर बोले होते तो I'd be like क्या बकवास कर रहे हो
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
यार. You know, the special thing about Nasir is he never traveled to Bombay to make his dream come true.
Yeah.
The unique thing about Nasir is that he stayed in his small town, made films there, and subsequently gave rise to a parallel universe of video filmmaking.
So what you said at the trailer launch was so interesting that there's some kind of honesty, and he's brave also to tell you, yeah, I've copied your father's films. I feel that's a lot of confidence to say when you meet Zoya Akhtar like that.
I don't think he thought he was crossing a line or it's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
wrong
yeah.
thing that he's done.
Right.
He was complimenting my father.
Yeah.
And that's what I fell for, he was actually saying that he gave an homage to Salim Javed.
कहीं ना कहीं कभी किसी ने आपने यहाँ खुद सोचा कि life can be a lot more than where we are born.
ये जो लाइन है ना, ये पूरी दुनिया का सच है जो मालेगांव के ट्रेलर में दिखता है. शौक पाल के क्या करेगा, मालेगांव में ही मरेगा. और आपके आसपास का पूरा एरिया, चाहे आप मालेगांव में हो या किसी भी शहर में हो, आपको ये कहता है इनडायरेक्टली कि शौक पाल के क्या करेगा, इधर ही मरेगा.
आप लोगों को पता था ये मालेगांव की इंडस्ट्री के बारे में? आप any of you
सुना था, मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट्री तो देखा था.
देखा था. Okay, so you knew
और
about it.
हाँ, और this film also became such a big part of pop culture, you know, like there are certain clips that kept doing the rounds of YouTube even like 10 years ago, and Superman of Malegaon was one of them.
कहाँ देखनी है? थिएटर में देखनी है? OTT पे देखनी है?
Theatre,
अरे
थिएटर में ही देखनी है.
सबसे पहले थिएटर में देखनी है.
Yeah.
दो तीन बार.
It's a film.
आपने कुछ खराब किया हो तो
Yeah, no, it's a film about, it's an inspirational story.
Right.
It's a friendship story. It's so many things. But one very important layer for all of us is it's a film about the love for cinema. And that kind of film has to be seen in a cinema.
Yeah.
Guys, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. My first question to all of you is, कहते हैं कि life, everybody tells you life is so much about where you're born. जहाँ born हुए हो, जो भी circumstance है, वही शायद तुम्हारी mostly life होएगी. His story proves completely otherwise. ऐसा कभी लाइफ में किसी ने कहा था कि जहाँ पैदा हुए यही होती है जिंदगी?
तो मैं उसके बारे में क्या सोचता
जी
हूँ?
हाँ, कि कभी किसने लाइफ में आपको कहा कि
अच्छा, मतलब मुझे भी फ्रैंकली कभी ऐसे लगा नहीं था कि मैं बॉम्बे आ जाऊंगा 2007 में, क्योंकि जमशेदपुर में ही मेरे नैनीहाल भी वहीं से, मतलब नाना जी 1940s में माइग्रेट कर गए थे, तो पूरा परिवार वहीं पे बेस्ड था. तो बॉम्बे आना वाज डेफिनेटली अ वेरी बिग सरप्राइज. अगर बॉम्बे नहीं आता तो कभी एक्टर नहीं बनता, यहाँ नहीं बैठता. तो बहुत रैंडम सा था. ऐसी पापा ने जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया और उनको जॉब मिल गई, तो फिर पूरा परिवार शिफ्ट हो गया.
Okay. So life can be a lot more. When you see Nasir's story, wherever you put that man, he was in Malegaon, but ऐसी personality को कहीं भी डाल दो, he would shine. What did you observe? Did you observe any of these things when you met him first?
Yeah, I mean, he's a very infectious character.
Okay.
And, he, like you're saying, people need to, just to go back to your first question,
Sure.
did anybody ever say to me that where you come from is where you need to stay? ऐसे मुझे कभी किसी ने नहीं बोला. और अगर बोले होते तो I'd be like क्या बकवास कर रहे हो यार. But having said that, I think the special thing about Nasir is he never traveled to Bombay to make his dream come true.
Yeah.
If filmmaking was his dream. And coming to a big city, if not Bombay, some other hub of filmmaking.
Correct.
That would have been the natural journey. The unique thing about Nasir is that he stayed in his small town, made films there, and subsequently gave rise to a parallel universe of video filmmaking.
Yeah.
The special thing about Malegaon was that in this small town there were about 13 to 15 video parlors. So ये लोग फिल्में बनाते थे. If they were good, they had their own distribution and exhibition system. So that is what is unique about Superboys of Malegaon and Nasir's story.
Amazing. When you work on something like this, you all are in such a great profession. आपको कितनी अलग-अलग कहानियों का, you get to be a part of it over a period of how many ever years you acted. When it came to this is a story of hope. This is a story that, if this guy can come from where he came from, nobody else should complain, right? Did these thoughts cross your mind?
Story of hope.
Of course, it's there in the script. It's what the script is about. It's about hope. It's about fighting for your dreams. It was apparent, of course.
Wow. So for what you said at the trailer launch was so interesting that there's some kind of honesty, and he's brave also to tell you, okay, yeah, I've copied your father's films. That these are like at no. I feel that's a lot of confidence to say when you meet Zoya Akhtar like that.
I don't think he was. I don't think he thought he was crossing a line, or it's
Yeah,
a wrong
yeah.
thing that he's done.
Right.
He was complimenting my father.
Yeah.
And that's what I fell for. He was actually saying that he gave an homage to Salim Javed.
Right.
And I believe he did.
Right.
So I thought it was very charming and very cute because he didn't know the flip side of what that meant.
Right.
And that is what I found very charming.
Yeah, super honest. Yeah. मेरी सेम क्वेश्चन आपको कहीं ना कहीं कभी किसी ने आपने यहाँ खुद सोचा कि लाइफ कैन बी अ लॉट मोर देन वेयर वी आर बॉर्न.
जैसे यूनिवर्सल फिल्में बनती हैं, कहा जाता है कि आप पिक्चर ऐसी बनाओ कि लैंग्वेज के परे चली जाए,
जी.
वो हर किसी को अपील करे. तो उसकी ही ये जो लाइन है ना, ये पूरी दुनिया का सच है जो मालेगांव के ट्रेलर में दिखता है. शौक पाल के क्या करेगा, मालेगांव में ही मरेगा. और आपके आसपास का पूरा एरिया, चाहे आप मालेगांव में हो या किसी भी शहर में हो, आपको ये कहता है इनडायरेक्टली कि शौक पाल के क्या करेगा, इधर ही मरेगा. लेकिन अपनी नजर ना वो जादू के पंछी पे थी. तो लोग कुछ भी बोलते थे, अपनी नजर वो जादू के पंछी पे थी. और अगर आपकी नजर वहां है तो सपने पूरे होते हैं, अगर आप में दम है तो.
Amazing. Yeah. What a story. Zoya, you tell me, it always takes a Hindi Bollywood movie for stories to come out. It took you guys to make Gully Boy. It was happening literally few kilometers away from here. There was an industry running of music and rappers and all. And even the biggest music composers I talked to, they say, humko nahi pata tha, what can we do? We didn't know. It takes a Hindi movie for these stories to come out.
I mean, it's the biggest pop culture there is, in the country. So people write about it. There are small news publications that do little docu-stories about it. Those things are happening, people have covered it before. There was a very, very successful documentary made by Faiza Ahmed Khan, Superman of Malegaon. So that was there, and a lot of people have seen it. It's got a lot of success. About 15 years ago, I think, 14-15 years ago. So that has happened. But movies have a larger platform. That's all there is.
Correct.
Though I don't think it's still I think TV still penetrates the deepest into the country.
Right.
So that's another platform. But movies just have a larger, more bombastic platform.
And having said that, so did the Malegaon films.
Yes.
Till date. I mean, now obviously with the internet and all, they've all moved to YouTube, and maybe that video theater is not there anymore. But there is a huge fan base. You'll be surprised, and if you look at all the YouTube comments, many people have seen Nasir's films already.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm happy to kind of put it on an even higher platform.
Right. आप लोगों को पता था ये मालेगांव की इंडस्ट्री के बारे में? आप any of you?
सुना था, मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट्री तो देखा था.
Okay, so you knew about it.
हाँ, और this film also became such a big part of pop culture. There are certain clips that kept doing the rounds of YouTube even like 10 years ago, and Superman of Malegaon was one of them. There were clips from the film that I had seen. I hadn't seen the entire film.
Right.
But I was very aware of this
of it.
industry.
Right.
And,
Right. When you meet Nasir, what is, after 5-10 years, what is that one thing that will stay with you? Ki yaar, kya banda hai?
His earnest sense of loving, of caring, of curiosity, of generally asking. Whatever little time I've spent, I think others should have spent a lot more time. Whatever little time I've spent with him, and I asked him questions about Shafiq, he's so uninhibited. He's such a beautiful thinker of life, and he remembers the most minute, beautiful details about people, which is such a refreshing thing. Someone who's paying attention, someone who's alert to life. That's something that really strikes me, and that really I find something similar in others, and so I can transpose that onto him, and makes my job very easy.
Right. What stays with you? इनके बारे में आप क्या याद रखोगे हमेशा?
इम्पॉसिबल को पॉसिबल कर दिया
Possible करना. Right.
शेख नासिर ने. और ये एक बहुत बड़ी रोशनी है कि अगर कोई एक आदमी कुछ अच्छा सोचे और कम्युनिटी साथ आ जाए
जी हाँ,
तो आप क्या जादू कर
क्या
सकते
कर
हैं।
सकते हो,
मतलब कोई सोच ही नहीं सकता कि मालेगांव जैसी छोटी सी जगह में आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री खड़ी कर दोगे।
या
मतलब ये पूरी दुनिया, मतलब जब हम लोगों ने जब ये टोरंटो में फिल्म देखी, एवरीबडी वाज प्रेजिंग लाइक, बिकॉज वहाँ न्यूक्लिक लाइफ वाला हिसाब बहुत है, तो उनको लगा कैसे ये सारे लोग इकट्ठे होकर फिल्म बना सकते हैं।
या
एवरीबडी वाज प्रेजिंग लाइक एनीथिंग कि ये क्या कमाल फिल्म आप लोग लेके आए हो।
या
तो उनका टेक अवे ही कुछ अलग था,
अलग
होप को लेकर के, कम्युनिटी को लेकर के। देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स इन दिस फिल्म।
right. You know, when you tell people about Nasir, people, family or someone who may not know, what do you tell them about Nasir? कैसे बताओगे कि ये क्या बंदा है?
बताता हूँ कि एक ऐसा इंसान था और है जो जहाँ पे
हाँ।
ये उसने खुद के लिए मौका बनाया, जहाँ पे ये चीज़ एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था, उसने वहाँ पे एक पूरी इंडस्ट्री खड़ी कर दी। नासिर एक्चुअली इज लाइक अ विजनरी, यू नो, एंड
Yeah.
क्या मालूम कितने सारे ऐसे नासिर हैं जो छुपे हुए हैं पूरे देश में,
Yeah.
जो ना सिर्फ फिल्म बना रहे बट अलग अलग चीजें कर रहे हैं।
Yeah. So
It's just like so many stories waiting to be told.
waiting to be told.
Yeah.
Right.
No, and he is a true visionary because you know we speak nowadays about people wanting to see themselves, being inclusive, but he was doing it at a time when people were not really talking about it.
Right.
He was making spoofs, but in those spoofs he spoke about Malegaon, and he cast people from Malegaon. You know,
Yeah.
several people who we whoever's there we also used in the film as actors, or then we used Aleem to kind of. Give dialogue training to all these guys because
Right.
Aleem now lives in Bombay. And, all the stories that I heard from them, it was like some kind of a golden moment in time for all of them.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
It was really special.
विनीत भाई का डायलॉग है ना कि तूने दीवानों को तारीख में एक जगह दे दी।
जगह दे, yeah.
Like for that to happen is insane. Like now forever people's memories of certain people. चलो
Right.
नासिर ने तो आगे जाके भी और पिक्चरें बनाई, बट कुछ तो ऐसे लोग थे जिनके लिए वो एक फिल्म
yeah.
वो पूरी जिंदगी भर की मेमोरी बन गई है।
उनका पूरा जीवन एक तरफ,
हाँ।
किसी फिल्म में एक छोटा सा उनका हिस्सा एक तरफ।
Wow.
और जोया ने बड़ी अच्छी बात बोली कि इसके पहले कि उन लोगों ने जब भी किया उस समय कैमरा मतलब अपने आप में एक अनोखी चीज थी,
बिल्कुल।
आप अवेलेबल कर पाओ उसके लिए भी दूसरे शहर जाना पड़ता था उन्हें। आज सबके पास मोबाइल है, मोबाइल में बहुत अच्छे वाले कैमरे हैं, हम बना क्या रहे रील, उन्होंने बनाई
That's so
पिक्चर।
true. Yeah.
Yeah.
वो कैमरा से, yeah,
right,
बिल्कुल। You know, I also remember at the press conference that last में someone asked him a question कि अब क्या, okay? Like because that's the next step कि what everybody was expecting to hear कि अब मैं बॉम्बे आ जाऊँगा, मैं फिर फिल्म बनाऊँगा, and then there's a whole industry working towards making everyone a star. But clearly he was very clear and he said कि मैं मालेगांव में अभी next क्या करूँगा, he'll think about it. Have you ever asked him, Zoya, have you asked him what keeps him there even now?
That's his home, and those are the stories he wants to tell. And what keeps anyone anywhere? You know, where we all in one city making films. This is our home, and these are the stories we want to tell, and these are our people, and these are the concerns, and this is what we can represent. And I think he's coming from there.
Yeah.
You know, what is amazing to me about him, and what I find the most inspiring is that he has genuine love for something. When you have genuine love for something, you do it without looking for an end result. He knew that it's going to be very difficult for him to come to Mumbai and have a break into a mainstream. That's not what he wanted. He wanted to make films. He made it at home, and today the mainstream is making a film about him.
Yeah.
So you will get what you want
Either
if you
way.
just do something with love and do it honestly.
Right.
Everything else will come.
Yeah.
He had no agenda except let's do something special for our people, for here.
Right.
And that was it. And look at where he's reached.
Yeah, बिल्कुल।
Yeah, he's extremely rooted. Like we've been talking, he is writing something,
Okay.
but never ever has he thought of coming out of Malegaon. He's more worried also because back in those days, I think copyright and things like that were not so top of mind. So I think today his biggest worry is things like that. So he was like, "Can I do your films?" When he sue me, I was like, "Not at all. Go ahead."
Wow, that's a huge compliment, right?
Yeah.
Right. you know, writer baap hota hai. Everybody spoke about this at the trailer launch, and it is a, you are literally taking your dad's legacy ahead. He fought for this for so many years, and he got it, and they made it for so many people. Literally, this is a line for a full new generation. It may be a very small line for you all, but it's such a powerful line for anyone who hears it.
No, it was a very powerful line
It was
for
even
us.
for you all. For you all.
That's why it's in the movie.
Sorry. Right. So yeah, tell me, when it's such a just 3-4 words, sometimes where did this come from?
Like बाप होता है.
That's a Vineet question.
That's a Vineet question. Please,
Yeah.
Vineet, बताइए.
Yeah.
I think he should tell it.
प्लीज
should
आप
say.
लोग
नहीं, please,
No,
Vineet,
no.
बताइए.
Vineet, आप
It's a
बोलो.
Vineet question.
हाँ, writer बाप होता है.
He won't say
देखो,
it. So I'll.
हाँ, बाप writer
So
होता है तो मैं
what-
जोया को पूछ लेता था, लेकिन writer बाप होता
What
है.
happened was, obviously we had a scene,
Ah.
and the scene has some it was a very, very strong scene written by Varun. But when we rehearse, if people, I like to kind of improvise. I do let actors try stuff. We may not always go with it, but I think it's always nice to kind of bring in what that day gives you also. So while we were kind of doing the rehearsal of the scene, Vineet suddenly said this line. He improvised
Wow.
it, and that's how it came about.
एक्चुअली रोहित पूरी फिल्म बहुत सुंदर लिखी हुई है.
बिल्कुल. Yeah.
उसमें ना मुझे ऐसा दिखता था बहुत सारा थॉट्स है, बहुत सारी टैबलेट्स. जैसे मैं मेडिकल की पढ़ाई करता हूँ, तो एनोलॉजी के हिसाब से बोलूँ कि ये दवा ना तुम्हें इससे ठीक कर देगी, ये दवा तुम्हें इस बीमारी से ठीक कर देगी. तो ज़िंदगी में जो बीमारियाँ इंसान के आती हैं ना, ऐसी बहुत सारी टैबलेट्स के फॉर्म में कई सीन हैं कि अगर आप उस सीन को ठीक से अपने अंदर उतार लो तो आप जिस प्रॉब्लम में खड़े हो वहाँ से निकल सकते हो. तो सीन ऐसा लिखा हुआ था कि वो अचानक से फट पड़ा कि ये लाइन बस आ गई. एंड थैंक्स टू रीमा, बिकॉज ही दिस डायरेक्टर्स मीडियम. आप कुछ भी, आप सब तैयारी करो, लेकिन आपको डायरेक्टर की सुनोगे तभी पूरी पिक्चर अच्छी बनेगी. तो रीमा ने अलाउ किया कि विनीत बोलो.
Nice.
No, I
मुझे
mean, you
लगता
could
है
not react to
You
the
could not
line.
react to the
Yeah.
line. Yeah. And also, seeing Angry Young Men also makes us realize most of these lines have just come because it's naturally you or somewhere. So it's also nice to see that actors are so collaborative here. You all contributed in such different ways.
एंड प्लस वो सीन करते समय जो को एक्टर्स हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग सीन, वो क्या है उसमें नहीं जाएंगे.
Okay.
कुछ ऐसा हो गया था हम सबको, सारे एक दूसरे को ऐसा पकड़ के बैठे थे. पूरी रात ऐसे ही सीन चला है, हमें नहीं मालूम क्या हुआ. ठंड थी, सब कुछ था, एंड ही वाज इन शर्ट, लेकिन हमें कुछ नहीं फील हो रहा था. इमोशनली ऐसे इकट्ठे हो गए थे हम सारे कि यार ये क्या है मोमेंट. बट मैं स्पॉइलर नहीं दूंगा,
बिल्कुल.
आप जाके
Right.
देखिए.
राइट. कहाँ देखनी है? थिएटर में देखनी है, OTT पे देखनी है?
Theatre.
अरे
थिएटर में ही देखनी है.
सबसे पहले थिएटर में देखनी है.
Yeah.
दो तीन
I
बार.
mean, it's a film.
आपने कुछ खराब किया हो तो
Yeah, no, it's a film about, it's an inspirational story.
Right.
It's a lot. It's a friendship story. It's so many things. But one very important layer for all of us is it's a film about the love for cinema, and that kind of film has to be seen in a cinema.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल. Yeah.
और मैं तो ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर आप घड़ी घड़ी बोलते हो कि अच्छी फिल्म नहीं आ रही है, ये नहीं आ रहा, वो नहीं आ रहा, तो ये ना मरहम है. ये वो ऑइंटमेंट है जो आपके इस दर्द को हील कर देगा.
कर देगा.
अगर ये पिक्चर थिएटर में जाके नहीं देखी ना गुरु, और तुमने कभी भी फिल्म देखी है कोई भी, तो तुमको लगेगा पाप.
बहुत अच्छी बात कही. On that note, thank you
Yeah.
very much. Thank you. No, for us also who watch so many movies, we wait for these because we have been watching a pattern for such a long time. It's a break we all have been waiting for. Cannot wait to watch it. Theatre में देखूंगा, promise. Thank you.
Thank you.